लेकिन आज हम इसकी राइड दिखाने के लिए नहीं आए हैं, बल्कि एक और गाड़ी की डिलीवरी लेने आए हैं, विच इज़ ओवर हेयर इन टाटा मोटर्स। बाकी मैं हर बार यही कहता हूँ कि आपको थंबनेल और टाइटल से पता चली गया होगा कि किस गाड़ी की डिलीवरी है, बट येस, इट इज़ द ऑल न्यू टाटा एल्ट्रॉस and the variant is XC petrol one. So the vehicle is not mine actually, I'm not purchasing it, but one of my teammate in the office. So today is the great day for him as well, जैसा कि मेरा last Friday को था. So I'm just waiting for him outside the showroom. तो जैसे वो आता है then we will start. तो शुरुआत में you gonna see some of the B-roll actually, how the vehicle actually looks. उसके बाद हम धीरे धीरे descriptive जब बताते जाएंगे what was the cost, what all additional expenditure he has done in terms of infotainment or seat cover and all those things, and what was the actual price for the vehicle in Bangalore. तो जिसको B-roll नहीं देखना है वो सीधा प्लीज़ इस वाले टाइम स्टैम्प पे चले जाएं, बाकी B-roll देख करके फिर descriptive overview पे मिलते हैं. Let's go.
Same energy, work on being better when I'm 70. Your drip is just a water spring, you know I drip different, just the 7 seas. I deal with life different, make that lemon squeeze. Went off for my style and identity, better bounce back and get the cheddar cheese. I guess that's why they envy me. On track, now we gon' way up. W's as easy as a layup. Working late, stay up. Counting all the way up. Counting blessings, yeah, you know we pray up. Way up, pray up. On track, now we gon' way up. Now we gon' way up. Now we going. On track, now we gon' way up. Now we gon' way up. Now we going. I got his band like I'm Barry Bonds. Running through the money, but the money's long. I don't love it, but I need it, keep it coming on. Only friendly, me and friends, we don't get along. I put that on my name, that I put them on. I put myself on stage and say sing along. I might book a session, do 100 songs. I'ma let you hear them just to prove you wrong. On track, now we gon' way up. W's as easy as a layup. Working late, stay up. Counting all the way up. Counting blessings, yeah, you know we pray up. Pray up. On track, now we gon' way up. Now we gon' way up. Now we going. On track, now we gon' way up. Now we gon' way up. Now we going.
Okay, he is actually the owner who has actually bought the car. अभी पहचान नहीं पाओगे because all of us are wearing the mask. So when was the first day that you have booked the car actually from here?
It's 17th of July.
17th of July.
17th I have booked the car.
Okay. And today is 31st of August.
Yeah.
So approximately 40 कितना days हो गया है?
They told me around 3 weeks to 4 weeks time will take, but so it took I think 1.5 months.
1.5 months actually. And even after spending the 1.5 months, he hasn't got proper paper of his car. There's a scan copy which is given to him, and rest he is driving it to Andhra Pradesh and he will get the registration from there. But the demand for this particular car is too high and the supply is too low. Ideally it's taking 3 weeks to 4 weeks. That's the normal waiting time for the Altroz. Just the car paperwork is done. They are bringing the car from downstairs to the parking lot where they actually deliver it. So just waiting for it, and then we'll shoot the B-roll. Probably we would have seen the B-roll before this particular video, but we haven't shot it yet. बाकी यार तुम्हारा एक्सेसरीज़ का हम बात कर रहे थे, which we will show in a while. So as per Balaji, there was a serious concern why you have downgraded the variant actually. What was the hardcore reason behind it?
Yes.
Like, what was the price difference? Means
Actually, when I booked the car, it was around 5,45,000 is the base cost,
Okay.
factory cost. But after 15 days, again they called me and they told the prices are increased. Sure. Factory has increased some percentage of price. Now,
So even after booking, they have charged you.
they have charged extra 15,000
Hard to
extra.
hear.
So it's not about the cost of the vehicle. I changed the variant. It is about the waiting period. It is going more days. So I thought to have vehicle in my hand immediately. So I
Okay.
changed the variant.
So right now you are paying somewhere around 6,60,000 on road.
Yes,
Something sort of, including that kit.
Including accessories?
including accessories.
Including accessories, 6 lakh?
6 lakhs. 6 lakhs. 6 lakhs 300.
Okay, let's go for the vehicle.
Sure.
So this is the car actually for which we are waiting. We are in a social place, so please don't mind. We have to wear the mask. And this is the XC variant, which costed him actually 6,60,000 on road. Not on road, because he will get the registration from Andhra Pradesh. So the registration part is not included. But if in Bangalore you go for it, with the accessories that he has opted for, it will be somewhere around 6,60,000.
Seat cover.
सीट कवर का कवर है ये.
Seat cover.
सीट कवर का कवर है, सीट कवर तो लग गया है. So the first accessory is what we can see over here is this parcel tray.
This is also missing actually. I have ordered separately.
This was even ordered separately, and 345 liters of boot space, as you might know. अगर नहीं पता तो हम बता देते हैं, ऐसी क्या बात हो गई, हम बता देंगे. 345 liters of the boot space. The length of the car is 3990 millimeter. अब आगे इंजन की तरफ जाते हैं थोड़ा सा. So it means there is a heat insulator for it. बहुत सारी गाड़ियों में हीट इंसुलेटर भी नहीं देते हैं, लेकिन there is a heat insulator. As you can see, एक सेकंड भैया. And as you know, this is a 3-cylinder 1.2 liter engine of Tata Revitron. Baki experienced Tata owner is actually giving some knowledge to a new one. थोड़ा सा इन्फॉर्मेटिव बात करते हैं. दिस इज़ द XC वेरिएंट. सो इसमें और टॉप वेरिएंट में फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द थिंग इज़ दैट कि द टायर इज़ ऑफ 14 inch. It's not of 16 inch, and the alloy is not there. So the radius of this particular tire is of 14 inch. The second thing is that you will not get the seat cover. So he has opted for package of 38,000 from the showroom. जिसमें the things which are included is this seat cover, which you can see. This seat cover was included. Second thing was that this silver beading that you see across. So the silver beading was included in that particular package. Third thing was the music system over here, which is of Pioneer that they are providing. Not the touchscreen infotainment that you see in the top variant, which pops out from here, but a normal Pioneer music system. And the fourth one was the charging socket. Even there wasn't any charging socket for charging your mobile phone 12 volt. So there is a charging socket which was included in it. And other differences that you will be seeing is the retractable mirror. It doesn't fold actually, so it's all steady. And if you come towards the front, so front mein there isn't any projector headlamps in this. As you can see, it's both of them are halogen light, and there isn't any fog light even provided. So it's without the fog light. However, there are parking sensors provided in this, and that is common with 2 parking sensors, not 4, but there are 2 parking sensors which has been provided. Or and this is the space. Balaji, what's your height?
5.9.
Acha, 5.9. Just sit inside. I want to just show the headroom.
It's almost lost. Adequate.
Headroom will be of somewhere around 2 to 3 inch left.
No, it's allowed 5 inch left.
5 inch.
4 to 5 inch left.
4 to 5 inch left. And that is, this seat has been actually dragged towards the maximum. So that is the ideal sitting posture in this particular car. So Raju, what's your height?
510.
5'10". So he's 5'10" and he's sitting comfortably over there. As you can see, the leg space. And the most prominent feature of this car, the 90-degree opening door, जिसके लिए टाटा अल्ट्रॉज इतना एडवर्टाइज करते हैं. So this is the 90-degree opening door for the car, which is common for every of the variant. And this is 5 feet 10 inch guy sitting comfortably. So I don't think so there is any legroom issue in this particular car. बाकी जो glove box है, that is the largest in this particular segment, the glove box. And this is, I think so, cooled one. No, it's in the top variant that is cooled one. Yeah, there is a small vent option available inside, but it's not cooled one. So it's a normal glove box, but the size of it is same. Okay. This is how approximately a person of a height of 6 feet can sit comfortably behind a person of 5 foot 10 inch driving the car. That goes same for this side as well. So there is a sufficient amount of leg room. So space की कोई कमी नहीं है. I hope so the audio would be clear. Otherwise मैं voice over डाल दूँगा. This is the main feature. और the rear door doesn't get actually the power window. This is again the manual. This is all fiber. There isn't any fabric actually pasted along the bar handle as well. This is all fiber. Or in the front door as well, you'll get the power window, but nothing as such of pasting fabric actually. It's all fiber over here. अब उस साइड का ड्राइवर कंसोल दिखाते हैं आपको.
Thankful जगह
Isn't any switch for the infotainment as well, because infotainment wasn't pre-fitted in it. Otherwise you will get some electronically controllable switch over here for changing the song or for picking up the call and all those things in the Bluetooth headset as well. बाकी there is, ये एक सामान रखने के लिए है क्या?
ये कहाँ जगह दिया था.
तो ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं हो कि उधर कुछ डालो बाहर निकल जाए गाड़ी के. एंड
यहाँ पे
अम्ब्रेला
होल्डर और बॉटल होल्डर.
इसमें अम्ब्रेला होल्डर तो है, बट देयर इजंट एनी अम्ब्रेला इनसाइड. बाकी टॉप वेरिएंट में अम्ब्रेला भी दे रहे हैं साथ में. सो आई मस्ट से कि देयर इजंट मच फीचर प्रोवाइडेड एज पर द top variant of the car. If you compare with the top variant, first of all is the alloy, that is of 14 inch. Second thing is the infotainment. Third thing is the rear AC vent. Fourth thing is the handle, the steering actually, which we say is almost blank. There isn't anything over there. Not a single switch to control anything, just a normal horn switch. Fourth, the mirror are not foldable electronically. Obviously yes, you can fold it manually. In the headlamp you won't get the projection, not even the fog lamp as well. There was a more feature over here, which is automatic rain sensing wiper. So the rain sensing wiper is not provided in this particular variant. और FM का antenna, as you can see, is over there with a fast tag provided actually. And the height of the car remains the same of 165 millimeter of ground clearance that you will get. So the ground clearance is of 165 millimeter, which is somewhere of this much, a bit more than this actually. Yeah. On the top variant, it would be a premium hatchback that is available in the market. So, Raju, you are good to drive?
Yes sir. अभी नहीं, अभी एक प्रॉब्लम है.
क्या प्रॉब्लम है?
यहाँ पर सीट कवर फिट करने के समय वो कुछ निकाल दिया है.
क्या निकाला? बता साल. टैग करेंगे इनको. अरे
ये बताना है.
तो ये कैसे निकल गया?
नो, सीट फिक्सिंग करने के लिए वो निकाल दिया.
अरे होता है पहली बार में होता है. Happens. Drive safe, all the best, and wish you a very happy journey. Bye bye. So that was all for the overview of the Altroz. Shall we leave now? Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks for the company, Balaji.
Thanks sir.
Chalo, see you. Bye. So even I'm done for the day. थोड़ा बहुत बाइक का काम है वो बाद में करवाएंगे. और हमारी डोमिनार भी तो खड़ी है यार, इसका भी तो एक ग्लिम्स ले लो. कोशिश की थी जितना ज़्यादा दिखा सकें, बिकॉज द शोरूम वॉज अबाउट टू बी क्लोज, तो वॉज इन हरी, तो जितना दिखा पाए. बाकी वी विल ट्राई टू शेयर द एक्सपीरियंस वंस दिस इज़ बीइंग ड्रिवन फॉर समवेयर अराउंड 1000 किलोमीटर. व्हाट्स द एवरेज एंड व्हाट्स द परफॉर्मेंस ऑन रोड. दैट वॉज जस्ट द पार्ट ऑफ टेकिंग द डिलीवरी. दैट वॉज ऑल. चलो, सी यू, टेक केयर, डू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब द चैनल. बाय बाय.